Hello, my name is David John from Lister Shearing Equipment, and today we're going to discuss the replacement of the comb peg and pin in a Lister clipper. This is the Lister Star clipper, and as we can see there are two comb pegs and pins. They hold and locate the bottom blade for clipping. The reason you may need to change your comb peg and pin is it has worn or it's come out. A lack of oil can sometimes overheat and it'll come out, so we look today to replace them for you. Replacement comb pegs and pins are available from any recognised Lister repair agent. When you've removed the old comb peg or it is out, you always ensure that that hole is always clean. Line the comb peg into the hole and hammer it in place until it is flush at the bottom. To make it easier to fit the steel pin, ensure the clipper is held sturdy and use an assistant if possible. The use of a long nose pliers is always handy because that will hold the steel pin in location while you hit it. To ensure the comb peg is fitted correctly, it needs to be below the actual surface of the white comb peg. To ensure it is correct, make sure that the steel pin is just below the surface. This is the clipper with the replacement comb pegs and pins fitted, and we're now ready to fit our clipping blades back on, ready to start clipping again. The fitting of the comb peg and pin can be difficult. If you need assistance, take it to your local repair agent and they will be able to assist you.